Personally, I like to come up here, right click on View Site, and open it in a new tab. This way I have one window that has my site and the other window has my dashboard. Now let's update the portfolio. If you click on Portfolio Projects, we can see the various portfolio entries here. Now, these with the white area, I've gone in and put in a photo unavailable, please add photo image, just so this client will know that they need to add photos to these specific portfolio items. Now, to add, edit, or change, even delete these portfolio items from the dashboard, you'll go into the portfolio, and here we see them listed. Let's find one that needs to be updated. Texas Department of Transportation. Here's this one, so we can edit it. Scroll down, and here under the featured image is where we want to put our portfolio items. Each portfolio item can have up to 5 images in its photo gallery. The normal text information just goes into the text editor box that's found at the top. Let me go ahead and add that the various categories of your portfolio are here. This item goes into the government/municipal project category, so that's why it's been checked. If we needed a new category, we would just click New and add it accordingly. As we go down, we can remove this featured image. Now, when we're ready to update our images here, I have 3 test images that I've prepared that don't go with this project, but I'm going to put them in place just so you can see how it works. So we click on Set Featured Image. Now, right now, the images that I'm wanting are not in my media library, so I can't just select it. I'm going to go ahead and go to Upload Files. And then I have 3 images here. I'm going to grab all 3 of my images. You can do this one at a time or do it in multiple at once. And I'm going to slide these over and drop them there. And you can see it's uploading my 3 images. When that's all complete, I'm going to select my first image. I know it's the first image because it says it's named Test 1. Once I've selected it, go ahead and Set Featured Image. And you'll see it comes up here. Now, I want to add a second image. Click here. The dialog box looks a little bit different. We're going to go over to Media Library. Click the Show button beside Test 2. Now, even though it's the same image, this is only for I'm only using the same image for demonstration purposes. Scroll down a little ways and click Use as Featured Image 2. Now, I'm not done yet. I can click Show beside my Featured Image 3 that I want and Set Featured Image 3. Now I can close this window. You can see that my 3 featured images have been set here. I'm going to scroll back up to the top and press the Update button. You can tell that the page is reloaded because when the screen flashes and the stuff populates back in here. If I go back over here to my site, I've navigated back to the home page. Let's go look at our portfolio projects again. Now, this is where I got the image from, but this one, as you can see, says the Texas Department of Transportation, Atlanta, Texas. If I click on here, you can see here's the first image, and these buttons represent that there are 2 other images. Now, you're not going to see these flip because they're the same picture, but understand that it's actually rotating between the 3. Now, this doesn't fit here, so we need to delete it. I'm going to go back here and remove featured image 3, remove featured image 2, and remove the main featured image. I'm going to go ahead and set this featured image back to this one that just says you need to add another photo. Click Set Featured Image. It's back into place, and I'll update this portfolio item back to the way it was. Everything's refreshed, so that's all right. And now from the page itself, if we refresh, you can see it's back to photo not available.